Hello and welcome to Herefordshire and Ludlow College. We are your vocational college set in the middle of Hereford. We also have a centre at Home Lacey campus. The faculties cover various different educational packages, and the faculties are Faculty of Community Studies, the Faculty of Technology and the Faculty of Land-Based. Within the Faculty of Community Studies, we have some amazing resources, including a fully licensed restaurant, a hair salon and a beauty salon, where you can come and utilise these resources as a member of the public. In our Faculty of Technology Studies, we have resources that include engineering, motor vehicle and some amazing computer resources that allow you to be the whiz kids of the future. Over in our Home Lacey campus, we are blessed with a fully functioning farm, which is the only organic college farm in the country. We also have 42 blacksmithing fires and 14 farrier fires, a menage and an equine yard, and a fully functioning animal care unit. Please come and find out all the hidden treasures that we have at this college.
Each student aged 16 to 18 has a study programme specifically tailored to meet their educational needs and career aspirations. It consists of the main chosen qualification, as well as further development of maths, English and employability skills. Its aim is to improve young people's careers and prospects, and also widen options for higher level study. All full-time students aged 16 to 18 will study English and maths as part of their studies. This will be either GCSE or functional skills, depending on prior GCSE grades and initial assessments. Those students who have already achieved sufficient grades will be supported through a programme of directed studies. Maths and English skills and the ability to apply them are both highly valued by universities and employers alike. Many universities now accept a Level 2 functional skill in Maths and English as recognised qualifications, which carry UCAS points. This is a government-driven initiative, fully supported by the college. Each full-time student will also participate in work experience, as well as activities designed to develop the skills and confidence required for their progression. Those students who aren't able to study for a substantial vocational qualification, for instance if they have complex learning needs, will study a programme to develop their employability skills. This might also include some work experience. We offer courses across a range of levels, from entry level for foundation studies all the way up to higher education. You can enter courses at the level to suit you, and many of our students go on to study at a degree level or gain employment in their chosen careers. In the past academic year, 26% of our students moved on to employment, 7% into apprenticeships, and 58% have continued on further educational courses. You might already know what you want to do when you leave college, or you might not. Either way, we have a dedicated learner progression advisor who can assist you on your career path. When you start college, a team of people will be available to support you. Your personal tutors are there to help and ensure you are on track with your course, arrange careers guidance, and offer advice with any college queries you may have. The Student Services team and learning mentors can guide and support you with any academic or personal issues you may have, as well as offer advice on student finance or accommodation concerns. If you're a young carer, a care leaver, or have looked after child status, you will also get the support of a pastoral mentor. If you need to talk to someone privately about issues inside or outside of college, we offer a free, confidential mentoring and counselling service. The additional learning support team in Student Services is available if you need any extra help because you have special education needs or a disability. You may have an education, health and care plan, a moving on plan, or you may have a specific learning difficulty or disability. The support team can meet you, discuss your needs, and plan what will work best for you alongside your course team. Our ALS team has experience and understanding of the needs of young people on the autistic spectrum, mental health needs, dyslexia, dyspraxia, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, students with hearing loss, visually impaired students, mobility difficulties, and a range of other needs, including medical conditions.
The main campus is on Folly Lane, situated between the Hereford Sixth Form College and Hereford College of Arts. The campus is split into two faculties. The first is Technology Studies and the other is Community Studies. Folly Lane has a range of purpose-built workshops for subject-specific learning, as well as the college's very own public-facing hair and beauty salon, Eden, and the Cider Orchard restaurant, as well as a large number of modern classrooms and computer rooms. The Faculty of Technology Studies includes a wide range of hands-on subjects, including bricklaying, building maintenance, carpentry, computing, electrical installation, engineering, furniture studies, motor vehicle, music technology, and plumbing. There is also a range of courses under Foundation Studies. Foundation Studies is an area of the college that promotes young people towards further training and employment. These courses are full-time and cater for learners who can study at entry level 3 and level 1. They have proved to be very popular with learners who do not feel ready for employment. The courses have a strong pastoral element to them, and each student has a timetable tutorial each week. The Faculty of Community Studies includes the following subjects: access to higher education, beauty therapy including massage therapies, business, catering and hospitality, childcare, hairdressing, health and social care, public services, sport and travel and tourism. New for 2021, the college will be offering 2 T-level qualifications. This new qualification is bringing classroom and industry placements together, giving you the knowledge and skills employers need. T-levels are 2-year courses. They're equivalent to 3 A-levels, and they require you to take part in at least 45 days of industry placement. They offer you the knowledge and experience to make you ready for employment. The T-levels we will be offering are a T-level in construction and a T-level in health. The Home Lacey campus offers an outstanding learning environment designed to give our students the practical skills, knowledge and experience for successful progression into their chosen career or university. Recent redevelopments include new classrooms, state-of-the-art welding facilities and excellent new workshops. The campus is based on a 257-hectare mixed organic farm, which includes ancient and commercial woodlands and traditional parkland with ponds and streams. Subjects available at Home Lacey include agriculture, animal care, blacksmithing, equine, farriery, forestry and arboriculture.
What is an apprenticeship? An apprenticeship is a paid job with an accompanying skills development programme, which allows the apprentice to gain technical knowledge and real practical experience through a mixture of learning in the workplace, formal off-the-job training, and the opportunity to practice and embed new skills in a real work context. So not only will you gain valuable experience, you will also be learning and earning at the same time. Apprenticeships have been designed by employers to meet employers' needs for a particular sector or job role. Each apprenticeship defines the skills, knowledge, behaviours and formal qualifications that the apprentice will need to acquire in order to become competent in their chosen field and to be awarded the status of a fully qualified apprentice.
Apprenticeships are nationally recognised as a fantastic pathway into the career of your choice, and the college now offers apprenticeships in almost all industries, covering areas such as agriculture and land-based, automotive, business and administration, catering and hospitality, construction, education, electrical, engineering, farriery, furniture, hairdressing, health and social care, management, plumbing and gas, retail and welding. Part of our college group is Ludlow College. Ludlow College is a unique sixth form college situated in the centre of Ludlow, a medieval town in the marches of South Shropshire. The college offers an excellent choice of A-levels, including all of the facilitating subjects, which are particularly favoured by the UK's elite research-intensive Russell Group universities. Run in partnership with the University of Worcester, the Hereford University Centre acts as an educational and cultural hub, aiming to raise educational aspirations in Herefordshire and encourage increased participation in higher education. At the core of the centre is the HUT Coordinator, who facilitates a range of talks, lectures and activities aimed at involving the community at the college. Though these will all be on varied subjects, they offer you the opportunity to get a feel of what university lectures might be like and how you can be inspired by the expansion of ideas and theories. As part of our partnership with the University of Worcester, we offer a wide range of higher education courses, some of which are natural progression routes from our level 3s. Subjects covered include accounting, animal management, blacksmithing, childcare, computing, counselling, education and training, engineering, health and social care, management, music, outdoor education, public services and sport. Following the completion of our higher education courses, we celebrate student success with a graduation at the Hereford Cathedral. Here you can celebrate your success with family and friends.
The atmosphere is great. There's big, especially within courses, big group friendships, which are just great to have around in a learning environment.
There's a lot of support, so if you're stuck, you'll get support to help you get back on track, and if you're doing really well, they'll praise you so you never go unnoticed.
I think the teaching method sets this college apart, and the characters of the teachers is another one.
I chose to study here because it's got a good reputation. I've been told lots about it and I am really enjoying it. It's lived up to its expectations.
If you would like to apply for one of these courses or to find out more information about them, you can come to one of our open events, look at one of our prospectuses, or visit the website for more information. If you go to our YouTube channel, we have a virtual open event where you can find out more information about the various courses on offer.